looking into our forecast for the next several days, things are looking really nice as long as you like it, with low humidity, with the sunshine and the continued just very pleasant kind of weather we've had this weekend. Look how nice it was outside. I hope you got a chance to get outside and do something. Enjoy the low humidity with dew points so low and our temperature at 83. That was our high today as well. Tomorrow, Monday, nice cool start once again. Sunny and warm afternoon. Overall, very nice and very similar to what we had this weekend so far. Looking ahead to what else to expect this week, we're also looking for our temperatures to warm up just a little bit as we get into the next couple of days. Not much, only by a little bit. So I'd say still very nice. But if you are looking for rain, maybe for your yard, not looking like we're getting any anytime soon, because our next weather change, which is coming on Friday into Saturday, that's going to be our cool front, a weak cool front that will be moving in then. We are going to be seeing that again at the end of the week. So that would be our next weather change. Now our temperatures right now are in the 80s and a couple spots even in the 70s. We'll drop through the 70s and then overnight tonight we'll look for another cool kind of setup. North shore and south shore of Lake Pontchartrain lows, lower 50s to lower 60s. Clear skies, should be a nice night. And then tomorrow highs I have very similar to what we had today. 83, 84 maybe, lots of sun and still pretty low humidity all through this week. You may notice it going up a little bit, but not much. It's not going to be back to that oppressive, muggy kind of feel. Now here's our upper pattern with upper low pressure moving away from us. High pressure building just out to the west of us. So that will let us warm up just by a few degrees. But then we may get another cold front moving in by Friday. It wouldn't bring our temperatures down drastically, no real fall weather or highs in the 60s or anything like that, but it may bring our temperatures down a bit for next weekend. So this could be our setup by Thursday and Friday, maybe more like middle to possibly upper 80s by Friday. And then Saturday, we may be back to about 80, and Sunday, same thing. Might be spending most of this weekend on Saturday and Sunday during the days, potentially in the 70s. Now in the tropics, there are a couple of spots to watch. You saw the wave out near Africa. That one has a higher chance of development, but set to stay out on that side of the Atlantic likely. This is a system that we're watching. This is just a tropical wave. It is not developed, not even close. It only has a low chance actually of developing in the next several days. Note that it's taking this more westward path into the Caribbean Sea. But like I was saying earlier, I wouldn't get too worried about this one. We'll keep an eye on it, but it looks like this southern path may be what it eventually takes. Notice the green circle and also the red circle you saw earlier. That's the European and the GFS low pressure centers that they're picking up on, the two big global models. They don't have that much, do they? Even the Euro, which of course did such a good job forecasting Ian and turned out to verify pretty close, it has it way to the south and moving potentially into Nicaragua, maybe not even as a very strong system. Models are bringing this up to about tropical storm status, if that, at this point. So we'll continue to watch it, but the upper pattern actually for the Gulf is not looking very conducive to get anything into it. And we're not talking this week, but potentially a week or so plus from now. We'll have a big high, potentially blocking a lot of the Gulf Coast. And keep in mind, we also have this dry air out here. And plus, we will be getting that front moving in on Friday and maybe another one about a week from now. So yes, we'll watch it, but right now it just doesn't look like a big tropical threat for us along the Gulf Coast. We won't have any threats for another week or maybe longer. So more updates coming. Our 7-day forecast in the meantime looking beautiful, mostly sunny with those temperatures just gradually edging up this week.